Hello, everyone. Welcome back to English in Easy Steps. I am Alex.
And I am Emma. We are so glad you are here with us today. How is your day going, Alex?
It is going great, Emma. I am very excited about today's topic. But before we start, we have a challenge for our listeners.
Oh, I love challenges. What is the challenge for today?
Well, today we are talking about pets, so we want you to go to the comments section and tell us about your pet.
That is a wonderful idea. But don't just say, I have a dog. We want you to describe your pet. What color is it? Is it big or small? What is its name?
Exactly. Use many adjectives. Is your pet energetic or lazy? Is it fluffy or smooth? Tell us why you love your pet.
This is a great way to practice your English writing, and you can read the comments from other people too. You can learn many new words about animals.
So don't be shy. Write your comment now or after you finish listening. We want to read all your stories.
Now, let's dive into today's topic. Alex, do you have a pet at home?
Yes, Emma, I do. I have a dog. His name is Buddy. He is a golden retriever.
Oh, a golden retriever. They are so beautiful and friendly. How old is Buddy?
Buddy is 3 years old. He is very young and he has a lot of energy. He is always happy to see me.
That is the best thing about dogs. They are always happy. Is Buddy a big dog or a medium dog?
He is a big dog. He is quite heavy now. He has long golden fur. It is very soft.
I imagine you have a lot of golden fur on your sofa.
Yes, that is a big problem. I have to clean my house every day because of his fur, but it is okay because I love him.
Does Buddy have big ears?
Yes, he has big floppy ears, and he has a very long tail. When he is happy, he wags his tail very fast.
Floppy ears are so cute. Does he bark a lot?
No, he is a very quiet dog. He only barks when someone rings the doorbell. He is a good protector.
That is good. I don't like it when dogs bark all night. It is difficult to sleep.
I agree. Buddy is very calm inside the house, but when we go to the park, he becomes a different dog. He runs and jumps everywhere.
What is his favorite game at the park?
He loves to play fetch. I throw a ball or a stick, and he runs to catch it. He always brings it back to me.
Does he like water? Many golden retrievers love to swim.
Oh, he loves water. If he sees a lake or a small pool, he jumps inside immediately. Then he comes back and shakes his body.
Oh no, and you get wet too.
Yes, every time. It is very funny, but very messy. What about you, Emma? Do you have a dog too?
No, Alex, I am a cat person. I have a cat named Luna.
A cat. Tell me about Luna. What does she look like?
Luna is a very beautiful cat. She is small and very elegant. She is completely black. She has bright green eyes.
Black cats with green eyes look very mysterious. Is she friendly or is she shy?
She is a bit shy with new people. When a stranger comes to my house, Luna hides under the bed.
That is very typical for cats. Buddy, my dog, is the opposite. He wants to play with everyone.
Yes, cats are more independent, but with me, Luna is very affectionate. She loves to sit on my lap when I am watching TV.
Does she purr when she is happy?
Oh, yes, she purrs very loudly. It is a very relaxing sound. Sometimes she falls asleep on my chest.
That sounds very cozy. Does she have sharp claws?
Yes, she does. She has very sharp claws. I have a scratching post for her. A scratching post is a special tower where cats can use their claws.
That is a good idea. Does she use it or does she use your sofa?
Well, she uses the scratching post sometimes, but she also likes my leather chair. My chair has many small marks now.
So we both have problems with our furniture. My dog has fur and your cat has claws.
Exactly. But that is part of having a pet. Luna is very clean. She spends many hours every day cleaning her fur with her tongue.
Dogs are not that clean. Buddy loves to play in the mud. After the park, I have to give him a bath. He hates baths.
Luna hates water too. Most cats hate water. They are very careful. Luna never jumps into a lake like Buddy.
What does Luna eat? Does she eat dry food or wet food?
She eats both. In the morning, I give her some wet food. It comes in a small can. She loves the salmon flavor.
Salmon? She eats better than me, Emma.
Maybe. And during the day, she has a bowl of dry food. She eats a little bit every few hours.
Buddy is very different. He eats everything in 1 minute. He's always hungry. If I give him food, it disappears instantly.
Dogs are very enthusiastic about food. Luna is more selective. If she doesn't like the smell of the food, she doesn't eat it.
She is a little queen, Emma.
Yes, she is the queen of the house. I just live there to serve her.
I think many cat owners feel that way, but cats are great because they're easy to care for. You don't have to walk a cat, right?
No, I don't walk her. She stays inside the house all the time. She uses a litter box.
A litter box. That is very convenient when it is raining outside. I have to go outside with Buddy even if it is raining or snowing.
That is true. On cold days, I am happy to stay inside with my cat. We stay warm on the sofa.
Emma, did you have pets when you were a child?
Yes, I did. My family loved animals. When I was 10 years old, I had a hamster. His name was Nibbles.
Nibbles. That is a perfect name for a hamster. Hamsters love to nibble on things.
Yes, he was very small and very fast. He lived in a big cage with a wheel. He loved to run on his wheel at night.
Oh, I remember that sound. My brother had a hamster too. The wheel makes a squeak, squeak sound all night long.
Exactly. It was a bit difficult to sleep, but Nibbles was very cute. He had very big cheeks. He put food inside his cheeks to save it for later.
Hamsters are very funny animals. They are good first pets for children because they are small.
I agree. I also had a goldfish. His name was Goldie. Very original, right?
Goldie the goldfish. That is a classic name. Was it easy to have a fish?
Yes, it was very easy. I just had to feed him every morning and clean the fish tank once a week.
A fish tank can be very beautiful in a room. It is very peaceful to watch the fish swimming.
It is, but you cannot play with a fish. You cannot pet a fish or take it for a walk.
That is true. A fish is more like a decoration. I prefer animals that I can touch and play with.
Me too. What about you, Alex? What was your first pet?
My first pet was a bird. It was a small parrot, a parakeet. His name was Charlie.
A parakeet? Could he talk?
He couldn't say many words, but he could whistle. He whistled the melody of a famous song. It was very impressive.
That is amazing. Birds are very intelligent. Did he live in a cage?
Yes, he had a cage, but during the day, I opened the door. He flew around the living room and sat on my shoulder.
That sounds very cool. But was it messy?
A little bit. Birds are not very clean. But Charlie was a great friend. He was very loud and happy.
I think every animal has a different personality. Dogs are loyal, cats are independent, hamsters are funny, and birds are social.
I agree. There is a perfect pet for every person. Some people even like reptiles.
Oh, like snakes or lizards. I'm a bit afraid of snakes.
Me too. I think they are interesting to look at in a zoo, but I don't want a snake in my house.
Imagine a snake hiding under your sofa. No, thank you.
I prefer my dog Buddy. He is much more predictable.
Alex, let's talk about responsibility. Having a pet is fun, but it is also a lot of work.
You are right, Emma. It is a big commitment. A commitment is a serious promise. When you get a pet, you promise to take care of it for its whole life.
Exactly. First, you have to think about food. Good food is expensive. You need to buy the right food for your pet's age and size.
And you have to be consistent. Pets like a routine. Buddy expects his breakfast at exactly 7 o'clock every morning. If I'm late, he sits next to my bed and stares at me.
Luna does the same. She walks on my face at 6 o'clock. She wants her wet food immediately.
Then there is the doctor. We call the animal doctor a vet. V-E-T.
Yes, the vet is very important. Pets need vaccines to stay healthy, and sometimes they get sick, just like people.
Going to the vet can be stressful. Buddy is very big, and he is afraid of the vet's office. I have to pull him inside.
Luna is the same. She cries in the car when we go to the vet. It makes me feel very sad.
But it is necessary. Another responsibility is exercise. Dogs need to walk and run every day. If Buddy doesn't go to the park, he gets bored.
And when dogs are bored, they sometimes chew on things, right?
Oh yes, when Buddy was a puppy, he chewed on my favorite shoes. He destroyed them completely.
Oh no, puppies are very destructive because they're learning.
Yes, they're like babies. You need to train them. Training takes a lot of patience. You have to teach them to sit, to stay, and to go to the bathroom outside.
Cats don't need much training, but you need to keep them entertained. I have many toys for Luna. I have a small toy mouse and a laser pointer.
Does she like the laser pointer?
She loves it. She chases the red dot all over the floor. It is very funny to watch.
That is good exercise for her. So, for our listeners, before you get a pet, think, do I have time? Do I have money for food and the vet? Do I have the patience to train an animal?
That is very important. Don't get a pet as a surprise gift. It's a life, not a toy.
I agree. But if you have the time and the love, a pet is the best thing in the world.
They give us unconditional love. This means they love us no matter what. They don't care if we have a bad day or if we look tired.
That is a beautiful way to say it, Emma. Unconditional love.
Emma, if you lived on a big farm, what other animals would you have?
Oh, what a fun question. If I had a farm, I would love to have a horse.
A horse. Horses are so noble and strong. Can you ride a horse?
I practiced a little bit when I was younger. It is a bit scary because horses are very tall, but it is a wonderful feeling.
I would love to have a horse too, and maybe some chickens.
Chickens are great. You can have fresh eggs every morning for breakfast.
Exactly. And chickens are very interesting animals. They are very social. They talk to each other all day.
What about a pig? Pigs are very intelligent. Some people even have small pigs as pets in their houses.
Yes, miniature pigs. They're very cute when they are babies, but sometimes they grow very big.
That is a problem. You think you have a small pet, and then you have a giant animal in your living room.
Imagine that. I think I prefer sheep. They are so fluffy and calm.
Sheep are nice, and you can use their wool to make sweaters.
I think a farm is a lot of work. You have to wake up very early at 4 or 5 o'clock to feed all the animals.
You are right. It is a full-time job. I think I'm happy with my small apartment and my cat, Luna.
Me too, but it is fun to dream. Some people have very unusual pets. I saw a video of a person with a pet raccoon.
A raccoon? Raccoons are wild animals. They have very busy hands. They can open doors and boxes.
Yes, they are very mischievous. Mischievous means they like to cause trouble.
I don't think a raccoon is a good pet for a house. Wild animals should be in nature.
I agree. Dogs and cats have lived with humans for thousands of years. We understand them, and they understand us.
That is why they're called man's best friend. Well, dogs are, but I think cats are woman's best friend.
Okay, Emma, we can have both.
Every animal is special. Whether it is a small hamster, a big dog, or a mysterious cat, they all make our lives better.
They teach us about responsibility. They teach us about empathy, and they make us laugh.
Empathy is a great word. It means understanding the feelings of others. When I am sad, Luna comes to me and rubs her head against my hand. She knows I need a friend.
Buddy does the same. He puts his head on my knee and looks at me with his big brown eyes. It is the best medicine for a bad day.
Well, Emma, we have talked a lot about animals today. I think it is time to summarize some of the things we learned.
I agree. We learned many new words. We talked about fur, claws, tails, and ears.
We also learned about the sounds animals make. Dogs bark and cats purr.
We talked about different pets, dogs, cats, hamsters, fish, and birds.
And we talked about the responsibility of having a pet. Remember, the vet, the food, the training, and the exercise.
Having a pet is a big commitment, but it is full of love.
Exactly. Now, don't forget the writing challenge. Head to the comments section.
Yes, tell us, do you have a pet? What is its name? Is it a dog, a cat, or something else?
Use adjectives. Describe your pet's personality. Is it energetic, shy, or mischievous?
We can't wait to read your descriptions. This is your chance to practice what you learned today.
If you liked this episode, please subscribe to English in Easy Steps.
And hit the like button. It helps us to reach more English learners like you.
Share this video with a friend. Maybe your friend has a pet and wants to learn how to describe it in English.
Learning English is easier when you talk about things you love, and everyone loves animals.
That is very true. Well, Emma, I think Buddy is waiting for me. He wants to go for his afternoon walk.
And Luna is waiting for her dinner. I need to go too.
Thank you so much for listening. You are doing a great job with your English.
Every episode you listen to is a big step forward. Be proud of yourself.
Keep practicing, stay curious, and keep smiling.
I am Emma.
And I am Alex.
We will see you in the next episode of English in Easy Steps.
Goodbye for now.
Bye-bye, everyone. Have a wonderful day.